And Sassman has come into the Kaizer Chiefs setup. Yagan Sassman, Cape Town boy. Onside. Here's Kama Billiard. Kama Billiard off the woodwork and a follow through. That gives the Kaizer Chiefs the lead. It's Leonardo Castro, the Colombian, gets onto the score sheet. Drawing first blood. Castro, Leonardo, and Chiefs are getting the party started at the FNB Stadium. Silence from Mamelodi Sundowns. Have a look at this. It was Kama Billiard who elegantly tried to beat Riyad Peterson, the woodworker, coming to the aid of Kaizer Chiefs as they were disappointed at that moment. But then the ricocheted ball falls kindly for Castro, who will put the ball in the back of the net. So Kaizer Chiefs in the lead, not only in South Africa, that is of Kaizer Chiefs. It's thumbs up from Andile. It's thumbs up from the referee. The crowd are eager to see more crowds, more goals. And so are we.
Kuchaloge gakhulula patlore nangabe ubeka insaba ngesibonelo phakathi sangele kambe Kaizer Chiefs ngoba nogo khupha kamnanzi leprama nje Castro tsinza nje kancane libhola lifuna Kama Billiard ayithena phakathi phakathi ayikhona mathotha namuhla Kama mangislapha yebo umdlali bambithe Leonardo Mfoka Castro uphekwe ngabogalaza thathubeka lesibili bana ngumhlangano lomuhle lona bakithi welcome to Kaizer Chiefs FNB Stadium lena iShell Helix Ultra Cup asathi ukuthi mhlawumbe silithe sithini lena nina bekunene indlela ubuka lapha Kama athi suka endleleni yamaphoza wavela mfela uvelayo umdlali bambitha bakithi Leonardo Mfoka Castro warola leli bhola wasinaka lithinza lavele lathinza inethi evumele ngisho ngithi lishonile langa lashona langa lishonile lapha bakithi iqembu lamamelodi Sundowns namuhla ngabe bayoqala kubona lapha ebokwehlulwa kwabo kodwa badlali labanyenti lesibili leli Leonardo Mfoka Castro bakithi alithatha libeka phakathi enethini yini ke lo ngakuthatha kuLeonardo.
Mamelodi Sundowns losing out very quickly. And for Kaizer Chiefs, the starting 11 has really set the foundation for any player that is requested to come in. And one will look at 45 minutes being done and dusted, and the board goes up immediately to give you an additional 3 minutes. I bet you, if you are a Kaizer Chiefs fan, you would be enjoying this. You would be saying, this is it. This is our time. It's the Shell Helix Ultra Cup 2019. It's going to Naturena, but football can be cruel. In Pretoria, they're still singing. In Pretoria, they're still hopeful. They are the champions of Africa. And as they say, they can only be won. You're going to have to sweat. It is a Kaizer Chiefs ball. And the numbers in favor of Mamelodi Sundowns in defense, showing that they are certainly a fear that they don't want to go another goal down. There's no players that are in the offensive half. It's a goal kick for Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, it's a corner for Kaizer Chiefs! And that's the third goal! My goodness! That man, again! Leonardo Castro! He has a hat-trick! So he can go into the second half with the match ball. He can take the match ball and they appreciate. They love it. Kaizer Chiefs 3. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, and 3 of the best. Have a look at this. Ball whipped in. Poor marking by Mamelodi Sundowns. Castro, Leonardo, 3 to the good. It's Leonardo Castro 3. Mamelodi Sundowns 0. And again, if you look at who took the corner, it is Kama Billiard. Billiard. Kama Billiard. We talk of Kama Billiard. Castro. The two players that are really hitting form at the right moment, at the right time. Referee Victor Hlongwane has had no concerns. Castro yet again, playing out with Kama Billiard! And he is getting onto the score sheet himself. Being shredded, being torn apart, being dismantled. Yes, you're not watching Orlando Pirates, you're watching Kaizer Chiefs. They are in a celebratory mood. Exceptional, entertaining, and Kama Billiard gets his name on the score sheet. He says hit them hard, and they've hit them exceptionally hard. Kama Billiard and Leonardo Castro. Can they come back? Another 45 minutes to tell a story. That's what it's like. Victor Hlongwane says, I've seen enough. Gentlemen, go back, take a break, go to the change room. High fives all around Kama Billiard. Leonardo Castro, this man has been on fire. He is saying all the doubting Thomases who never gave me a chance. He's made Riyad Peterson look ordinary. He's made a name for himself in today's encounter. A hat-trick on the day. It's confirmation of the scoreline. It's Kaizer Chiefs 4, Mamelodi Sundowns no. And let's have a look at the statistics. With 41% ball possession, with 9 fouls, with 10 shots at goal, the story is that Kaizer Chiefs are on fire. You're looking at ball possession. Ngonga back into the equation. Sami Siabi, Hlompokeka, Bra Hlompokeka, Sami Siabi. Sammy comes out of it, and the referee allowing play to continue. Spelele Mkhulisi, Sundowns. Puff and pass for Mamelodi Sundowns, certainly turning a few changes into positiveness as Wayne Arons remains in that defense. Here is Lebogang Manyang. Kama Billiard went to sleep, and the lights being switched on by Tebogo Langeman. Mkhulisi Meza whips the ball in, and first touch was a little strong, but Tebogo Langeman wasn't able to follow through, but gets the corner for Sundowns. Meza fixes it up, spotting the late run into the box by Langeman, but also lack of communication between Gaston Sereno and Langeman, just forcing that corner. It's a throw in. An urgency by Meza. Available is Harold. Sami Siabi. Siabi brings in his teammate Mkhulisi Serene. When you look at the possession, it's certainly the team from Pretoria, and a mistake by Daniel Akpeyi, giving Sereno the much needed response. Gaston Sereno makes it Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 4. As Meza gets a touch, and in actual fact, it's Ali Meza that scores the goal. Gaston Sereno, the supplier and goalkeeper, doesn't really collect that. So the two players that have come in, an assist by Gaston Sereno, and the scorer is Ali Meza. Sundowns 1. Is this the comeback? This match reaching the 1 hour mark. Kaizer Chiefs were on the back foot here in the second half, having just made 2.
Phakanyiswa kamnanzi manje ndiphola bakithi Mamelodi Sundowns isi asilkhaleni kabusha dipola lapho bona khona namuhla yebo Crown Mine eJohannesburg anele umfokangqongo ngemuva kunozinto akrabambita Kennedy Mweni Zambian International bekakahle eliphothele sancele bakithi lapho bona khona Tebogo Langeman satsa dibola kulesi sikhathi akakabitwanga eqenjini lesiphe umfokana ngemani kungethwa lemine imizuzu ngaze ngakhumbula 0 man lapho ngathi ngale mizuzu lemine iZimbabwe itoshaya amagoli lamane wathi cha amagodweni cha gogo sho njalo baba Silindile phakathi senkundla manje balithumela phambili libhola abafana beliqembu leKaizer Chiefs Sompempe uthi vele lento seyabonakala akukabaluleki kangako lapho Thwala bekathi ufuna kubathwala khona lo Thwala lona bakithi ngusizwe akuphendule sokudla bakithi Mamelodi Sundowns imkhulise yemkhulise Augustine Serino balithumela phambili libhola kodwa egcineni emakethe leminyango avele ayavalwa indebe kunene njengoba sibona njena manje emakhasi avalwa lapha bathwele injabulo bakithi ikakhulukazi iCastro eliphakamisa konse emapalini lavulta nebuso bemapali phembele sancele futhi Mamelodi Sundowns ayifuna ukwehlulwa yebo lapha kodwa ayifuna kuhlulwa ilwe ngendlela lenhle lemangalisako phakamisa Professor Daniel Akpeyi wathi ngiyalamukela leli ngiyawulala nalo ngiyathula nalo Wayne Arendse na Casten Serino uthi Daniel Akpeyi mine ningithinzile ufuna ukulikhipha lela bhola Daniel umfoka Akpeyi njengoba njena athinzekile simo sinjalo ke nine bekunene kulamaqembu amabili lapho ubona khona basho ngelunyawo lagogo ngenyawo lomkhulu ulele phasi Daniel Akpeyi angeke sithi ke uthenga isikhathi ngaphandle kwemali cha angeke sakusho lokho kodwa futhi nasibona ubona ngathi uyamemeta uthi mayibabo ila Daniel Akpeyi uyabatshela uthi ngilapha banginyathele khona labo ke balandzeli nebathanzi bephula letinyawo buso lobumfili bade bulisizi bakithi beliqembu leMamelodi Sundowns balandzeli bete labangayithembi bangayikholwa lento kodwa manje bayabona iqembu leKaizer Chiefs bakithi bakhombisa emandla lamangalisako nenjabulo lenkulukazi namuhla konke lokhu ukutholaphi uSABC 1 Mzansi for sure lapho bathi lesimo noma kulesi sikhathi emakhosi ajabulile ajabula laphethe kone bakithi kaManyovu ajabula bakithi eDamini kumshibo ajabula njena yebe makhosi namuhla ngendlela lenhle emangalisako kanti thine siSABC 1 sithunyiwe bona tikhukuthwana letitofakaza namuhla letithela ngendlela lenhle emangalisako bashaya ingoma lemnanzi bathi asambe lolu bathi asambe lolo kulesimo lesisibonako kuwo lamaqembu omabili Bernard Mervyn Parker beka kahle eliphambili sancele kodwa noko egcineni phasela iMamelodi Sundowns Danzi sethe futhi ngale kunjalo bakithi umdlali isiphelele njangase kodwa manje iMamelodi Sundowns ngemzuzu ogcina ithi ngamane sibethele esipikili sokugcina nathi sithole lesibili lokungenani 18 nalilithuba vimba Daniel Akpeyi kodwa ingoteka suka ekhaya emaketha avora bashenjwa tsalele phasi uthini Sompempe uthi lela ngilikhomba emlotheni uthi Sompempe leli ngilikhomba emlotheni ebekunene niyabona ke ukuthi kungapheli lithemba lapha lele khona umfoka lakhe Sompempe wathi leli ngilikhomba emlotheni wathi umdlali Casten Serino lethanda libhola la ngitanikhomba ukuthi eUruguay sendani ngelibhola Casten Serino kunjalo ke nina bekunene njengoba sibona manje libhola hamba libhola bakithi njengoba njena ubonile wathi Sompempe ayikhona zange nadlala kahle bavele baniketa ipenalty udlalwe kabi vele mbamba umdlali lebambita umfoka lakhe satha umfoka Serino libhola beke phansi umfoka Serino ubukene na Daniel Akpeyi nine bekunene Serino ubukene na Akpeyi uphefemula kancane Casten Serino sonzela epoleni Serino shayingwenga yento wamthumela eNineveh washona eTarashishi score ngo 4-2 aleyo ndlela ke bakithi kulapho ubona khona Satsa bakithi umfoka Serino beka kahle phakathi enethini liba lihle nine bekunene kuyipenalty mhlambe lelingilo lelivala emakhathi kulamaqembu amabili Gaston Serino alithatha beka phakathi enethini Mamelodi Sundowns mhlambe ngesingisi bathathi too little too late aleyo ndlela ke nine bekunene amakhethe neminyango eqineni wovela wavada umnumzane Victor Hlongwane kuba njalo kufa kwelikati iqembu leKaizer Chiefs boShampeni beshele Helix Asakapa emagoli lamabili kulamane ubhaliwe ke namuhla umlando kulamaqembu amabili ubhala njena bakithi kulapho sisho khona sithi asethembe ukuthi bafundzile bosopepe basafufuza bopapa umtukulo nje bobakithi bafunza njena nango umdlali kalele phasi ngemva kwekuba abekwe phasi bakithi kulesi simo kuleso sikhathi score kuba ngu 4-2 kanzi ekugcineni Leonardo Castro phakamisa iklati lempumelelo kanzi ngethuba lokho